Good morning, class. So, today in our online class, what we have started the chapter Minu and Dino. But before that, we have discussed about the museum. So, museum are the place where the antique things, the ancient things which are used in our olden civilizations are kept to give us information about earlier lifestyle, what the people were using there, which kind of lifestyle they are adapting for themselves. So that was a place which used to relate us from our older civilizations. So first we have done C1, that is, have you ever visited a museum? Right below the names of five things that you saw there. So you can write in number one, you can write sculptures. Okay, so spelling will be SULPTURES, sculptures. Second will be clothes worn by the people. So these are clothes. And third number you can write the manuscript, MANUSCRIPT, manuscript. Number 4 you can write tools, and in number 5 you can write tree trunk. Now, if we should start the chapter Minu and Dino, what we have to do, we are going to read the dialogue. So basically, it is a dialogue between two characters, that is Minu and Dino. Now these two characters are discussing. See, first we will get, when we are read this chapter, we got to know that there is a girl whose name is Minu, who is 10 years old girl who once visited a museum. There she has seen she has seen a dinosaur kept in a box. She was very much surprised, and the most surprising thing she met when she saw that dinosaur was speaking, and little bit she got scared also. So what she has done, she has scared she got scared and keep a distance from that box. But after that, surprisingly, the dino started talking with the girl. And you will read, when you are going to read the chapter, you are going to read that the dinosaur used to introduce himself as a living creature which were found in the earlier civilization. Now it is this living thing was extinct. So now we will, what will be your today's assignment? Your assignment will be to read these dialogues between Minu and Dino. And when we today also we have a little small session of reading, and which we are going to continue on tomorrow's sessions also. So now what basically you are going to do, you are going to read the dialogues of Minu and Dino. So first I'm going to read for few of the lines so that you could practice. Already we have got the hard words of this chapter. Now, Minu, a 10-year-old girl, goes to see a museum. There are many strange things in the museum. Many things are kept in the glass boxes with labels. Minu reads the labels one by one. She was visiting the museum, and she was reading the names which are written on the boxes. As she is moving around, she sees a dinosaur on the table. She goes near the table and admires the big animal. It had a huge body, long neck, twinkling eyes. Minu finds it very attractive. Suddenly, the dinosaur starts speaking. And this was a very new creature for Minu. So she was observing that creature very carefully. Suddenly, what she finds that that creature started speaking. Dino, hello Minu, I am Dino, the dinosaur. How are you? Minu cannot believe her eyes, because that creature was kept inside a glass. So Minu cannot imagine that the creature is alive and it can speak. So, hello Minu, I am Dino, the dinosaur. How are you? Minu cannot believe her ears. She feels very scared and tries to run away, but Dino calls her back. Don't be afraid of me. I am your friend. Don't you want to talk to me? Minu comes near the dinosaur hesitatingly. I love children. They are very nice. They do not harm anyone. But I have heard you harm others. That's why you are kept here and not to allowed to roam about. No, Minu. When we live in the earth, we didn't harm anyone. We just wanted to live peacefully like other animals. Then why are you kept here? Where are your mama and papa and friends? We used to live on the earth thousand, but many atmospheric changes pushed our species to extinction, which means none of my family or species is found on this planet anymore. Oh, that's so sad. Couldn't we, the humans, do anything to save you? No, Minu, we disappeared from the earth long before humans arrived, but you can save many other species from extinction. Really? How? Let me explain it to you. You see, man and other animals share this beautiful earth. They have been doing so for a long time. Once there was enough of everything food, water, and enough forest covered the grassy plains. But slowly the number of people grew, their needs to grew, so they started cutting tree and killing animals. Today there is very little space left for some animals. The bird's dodo has already disappeared from the earth. Many more species of animals are endangered, and may also disappear in a few years. Pandas, gorillas, grizzly bears, elephants, tigers, and copper butterfly are all disappeared animals. So now, when this is very sad, students, it's very sad. When I have read this story, the dialogues of Dino, I feel ashamed of myself. Why? Because how we can so selfish that for our own benefit we are damaging the environment. We are killing animals. We are cutting forests, which is harming so many species, so many animals. So it's it is very alarming situation for us. So we have to be very careful about our environment. So tomorrow we will have more reading practices in our class, and then I will explain you the chapter.